In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can fix internet or network connection problems or slow download in Bluestacks. Okay, for this we can go here into the search bar. Here we look for the control panel. And in the control panel, we click on a network and internet, and then on network and sharing center. So, and here we see our connection. So I'm connected with Ethernet right now. What we do is click on change on adapter settings, and here we do the following steps with our connection. So right click on it and then disable it. Wait like 1 or 2 minutes and then you can enable it again. This is to restart your Wi-Fi from your PC. You also can do this with your Wi-Fi router to restart your whole Wi-Fi. After that, we can click on properties and then we click on configure. And here we go on driver and then on update driver. And here we can search automatically for drivers. Here we have already installed the driver. What we also can do is search for updated drivers on Windows Update, or we can click on browse my computer for drivers, and here we can browse on a computer for drivers, or pick from a list from available drivers. So, and after that we can close this and then right click on it again, properties, then Internet Protocol version 4, properties again, and then we click on use the following DNS server addresses. We have the preferred DNS server, this is 8888, and the alternative DNS server is 8844. Click on OK. You can also try 1111 or 1001. So, and then click on OK, close this. Then you have to reset your PC, that the things will be saved. And after that, your internet or download problem should be fixed. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.